Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to go through some beauty bags and boxes from the month of May and the month of June. I just haven't gone through all of them, and I haven't been keeping up with my monthly boxes lately. Some of them I haven't resubscribed to yet, and I'm thinking about resubscribing to some of them. I just got overwhelmed with them and needed a break. So we're going to get started with May's Ipsy. That was this one right here. That was the theme. Of course, I'm going to have the monthly price of each of these, as well as the items prices listed as I pull them out and show you. Okay, so the first thing we have here is BoxyCharm Caffeine Eye Cream Firm and Bright. This is something I do use. Eye creams, not necessarily this brand. See if I can get that pick up for you. There you go. So I do use eye creams quite a bit. Caffeine in generally does work well if you've got puffy eyes. I typically don't have puffy eyes, but they do kind of sink in a little bit. So I do use these. And this is what the bottle itself looks like. Next thing we have is Jecca Blac Hydrate Primer. I have used her products before, and I absolutely do love her products. They're very good. And this is what the primer looks like out of the box. I want to say I've used this before, but I honestly don't remember. I've used a lot of her products before, so I don't remember. But I do like the Hydrate products, especially in the wintertime. In the summertime I don't need them as much, but in the wintertime my skin is incredibly dry, so I'll probably save that for a colder month. Alright, the next thing we got here is another primer. This one is Rodial Illuminating Ultra Glow Primer. It says it's Soft Focus Glow Drops. So that is the box. And this is what it looks like. I do like that color. I'm not sure how this is going to go on me. Things like this could either be really good or really bad on me. So I don't know. I might not keep this one just because this looks like it's going to be very pink. And with my skin, it just, nah. I might not keep it for that reason, just because I have so much red undertones, and then throwing the pink, I don't know that I really want that, but I'll think about it. The next thing we have is Formula Z Transforming Beauty. This is, what is this? I am not sure what this is. I'm looking at the back and I can't really tell because the way it reflects, I just can't tell. But let's open it, or maybe it says on the front. Oh, it just says, oh, it's a cheek palette. Okay, I'm sorry. It's a cheek palette. So let's open it and see the colors. These are pretty. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm going to keep that. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch that and show. Okay, so these are the blush colors. Get it to pick up. They are very shiny and pigmented on my skin. So I will have to use them very lightly, but I do like the colors. I think these are going to be really good. I'm probably going to use this more in the fall, and yeah, probably the fall because of the colors, but I do like them. You could really use them year round, but fall is probably going to be my go-to season with this palette. Okay, the next thing we got here is the Kenia Ontiveros Beauty Glow and Go Kit. That is what the outside of it looks like. And let's see what the inside looks like. Okay. I think that I might actually stick this into a future giveaway because I feel like this is really good for a lot of people. And I want to stick some things in there that everybody can use, and this is definitely one of them. I think that's a nice kit. Okay, so we are moving on to BoxyCharm for the month of May. This is the box that I got for that. Kind of small, but Sometimes small boxes have big surprises, so let's go ahead and look in. Okay, so the first thing we got here is Ciate London Dewy Blush Glossy Cheek Tint, and this retails for $22. This is what it looks like. Ooh, and I think I do like this color. Look at that. It is pink. I don't think I have that kind of pink. I have some pink creams and stuff, but not like that. So let's see what this looks like. I do like this. This looks really natural. If you can see it, rub it in and make it look a little bit lighter. I think that's really pretty. Alright, the next thing we got is Basic Beauty Eye Primer. Let's see, this retails for $18. I have not tried their eye primer before, so I think I am going to try it. I don't really have any thoughts about it really because I've never tried it. But I do like to try different primers, even though I have my Tired and True ones that work really well. And let's see if we can get this tube to pick up. There it is. That is the tube. Alright, the next thing we got here is, this is Kosmetik's Liquid Velvet Lipstick. And this retails for $22. This is the box. This, I'm looking for a shade. Let's see what kind of shade this is. You know what? This is a really pretty shade. I'm probably going to keep it. This is called Bubbly. So let's go ahead and swatch that since I know I'm going to keep it. This is beautiful and it went on very nicely. So look at that. Alright, so the next thing I have here is Skin Ink Serum Glow Filter. And this retails for $50, which is quite a bit. And that is the box. Ooh, kind of looks fancy. Not sure what I think about it, but if you don't know already, absolutely love my serums and my face oils and moisturizers and all that. So this is what this one looks like. Alright, there is one last thing in this bag. This is the Farmacy Honeymoon Glow Body. And it actually has some resurfacing stuff in this, which I'm not really sure how that works. You use it like lotion. Let's see. Okay, so it does say avoid application directly after shaving. So I don't know how I feel about that one because I shave pretty consistently and pretty often. But yeah, so that is what the bottle looks like. It retails for $40. I may not give this a try, have not decided. So the last one for May is Tribe Beauty. That is this right here. This is actually an every other month subscription. And I do like this one a lot. It is, they support independent brands and I love that idea. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so the first thing I got here are some quick wipes. Pro Blush Cleaning Wipes. There are 4 of them. I don't have a card, so can't really tell you much about these products, but I will have the prices on the screen. But that is what they look like. I don't know if I'm going to keep those or not. I do like on-the-go products, so I might keep them. Alright, the next thing we got is liquid lipstick from, let's see, this is Lala. This is what their box packaging looks like. So this is in a shade Royalty. Okay, this is shade Royalty, and this kind of reminds me of the other color, but this is a little different. I do like it, so let's go ahead and swatch. Alright, that is the color. I think this one, I don't know, I think they both kind of looked a little raspberry, but I do like that, so of course I'm going to keep that. And this right here is Mudmasky. This is Vitamin-infused eye serum. And I've already told you guys, I use tons of eye serum, so this is definitely a keeper for me. This is the bottle. Okay, the next thing we got here is Color Drop Serum Blush, and this is from, I can't see the name, EM Cosmetics, and this is in Sunset Sky. This is the box. Okay, this is just kind of a little fancy, but I'm here for it. Look how cute that is. I like that color. And I actually, it's not really orange and it's not really pink. It's somewhere in between. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like on the skin. Okay, it's definitely a serum, so this is what it looks like, just like that. And let's see what it looks like rubbed in. I do like that. I think that's really pretty, and I'm probably going to get a lot of use out of that. Alright, next and last thing in this bag is a palette from Alter Ego called Luster. And that is what it looks like right there. And let's see the colors. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep, no, I think I'm going to keep it. These are really good colors right here. These, I mean, obviously you can wear it in the summer, the fall, whatever. But yeah, these are pressed powders. I'm going to go ahead and swatch them. Okay, so these are the colors. I can get them to pick up. There you go. I think keeping this was an excellent choice for me. I really did like the way they went on the skin. They were very smooth, very creamy, and they go with the lip color and the blush too, the blush charm. So I'm very excited to be trying this palette out. Alright, so we are moving on to June. This is the June bag right here for Ipsy. And of course this is the Glam Bag Plus. I already showed you last month, so let's go ahead and get into this month's. Okay, the first thing we've got here is some lipstick from, no, this isn't lipstick. It says For Wednesdays Pink Bella Argent. This is, I think this is like a, it's a tinted lip balm. There we go, that's what it is. I do like tinted lip balms, especially in the summer, because sometimes I just really don't want a heavy lip color. So this is obviously a pink color. I do like this. You see that right there? I'm not going to swatch it because I'm not going to use it yet, but I am very much into that. The next thing we got here is Ciate London Bronze. This is a 9-piece eyeshadow palette. That is the box right there. Here are the colors. I was very tempted to keep it, but I don't think I'm going to, and it has nothing to do with the brand. But I have a lot of palettes with almost the same colors in it, so I am going to pass that along and put that into a giveaway. But I do love the colors in it. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. Alright, the next thing we got here is a brow styler. This is from Benefit, but I don't really have eyebrows. Most of my eyebrows is drawn on because I grew up in the 80s and 90s, and we overplucked our eyebrows because everyone wanted to be like Gwen Stefani. So that is the packaging on that, and this is definitely going to go into the next giveaway as well, which I haven't decided when that's going to be yet, but it's going to have to be soon because it's been a while. I just got to go through and see what I have. So let's see what this actually looks like. I am not opening it so it doesn't get dry, but that is what it looks like. This is in a shade light brown, which should be versatile for most people. Okay, so this is kind of different. This is Tea Tree and Aloe Mask Scrub. So it's a clay mask and a foam cleaner, deep exfoliator. So I'm not really sure if I'm going to be using it like a mask or as a cleanser. I don't know. I'm going to try it though. But this is from Bata. Okay, so the last thing in it is this palette right here. You can't see the box, but it's Natasha Denona Anya palette. I have this one already, so I'm not going to keep it. I'm just going to show you it right here. These are really pretty neutral everyday colors. There's this nice beautiful silver here, and I do like this palette, so hopefully one of you people will be able to enjoy it. And yeah, next giveaway, which again, I just got to go through my stuff and see what I got in order to figure out when I'm doing it. All right, last box is the Boxy Charm for June, and yep, nothing else to say, so we are getting into it. Okay, first thing we have here is a Turmeric Brightening Polish. It's for your face and body, and this is by Violation Beauty. Okay, don't know much about them. This retails for $38. I do like turmeric products. They really do brighten, and they really do give your skin a nice healthy glow, so I definitely going to be trying it. This is the bottle looks like. And we are moving on. The next thing we got here is Stay Calm Soothing Sheet Mask, and these are aloe infused, and this is, let's see, this is from Give Them Lala Skin, and this retails for $30. There is 4 face masks in here. That is not picking up. That is not great. There you go. Okay, so next we got Kismet Polished Lip Plumping Gloss that retails for $18. I do like my glosses, and although I don't necessarily need a lip plumping gloss, I do use it. I do like it because as we age, we start getting these fine lines around our lips, and products tend to bleed, and I found that sometimes those lip plumping products kind of stretch those lines out a little bit and help, so I do like that. This is a really beautiful color. See that right there? I'm going to go ahead and swatch that so you can see it. This is really, really lovely. Look at that. That's going to go with a lot of things. Very pleased with that. Okay, so next we got Dr. Brandt Blacklight Primer. Okay, I'm not really sure Blacklight has to do anything, but I like Dr. Brandt and I like their primers. So yeah, I'm going to use it. This retails for $38. That is what it looks like. Okay, the last thing we got in this BoxyCharm box is a Violet Voss Sun-Kissed Summer Pro Series palette here. And this guy runs for $37. So let's go ahead and look and see what this palette looks like. Okay, so I've opened a lot of palettes with similar colors, but I am going to keep this one because there's a couple colors in here that are a little bit different, and I really like the color story on this. I think that is super pretty. And yes, I am going to swatch that so we can see what it looks like. Alright, so these are the color swatch that I'm not really picking up too well. Okay, there we go. So these are the colors swatched. I think they are really pretty, and I am so excited to wear these. I think they're absolutely stunning and beautiful. And that is it of all the beauty boxes that I have right now. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you would like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe and let me know your thoughts down below of these boxes and the products in them. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.